Hey Joe fans, welcome back to one more super exciting G.I. Joe review. Today I will be talking about G.I. Joe's very own swamp fighter Muskrat. Original Hasbro figure was released in year 1988. Muskrat never appeared in the animated series, but he made his first comic book appearance in the old Marvel comic run, issue number 80. He comes with very interesting Swamp special accessories. So let's look at his primary weapon. As the content list on the card says, a Super 90 shotgun. Superb detailing on there. This is based on a real weapon known as Benelli M1 Super 90 semi-automatic shotgun. He also comes with a machete with a fuller at the center and finally he comes with what the content list calls a swamp skimmer board or a boogie board. A really nice detail there on the back. So it goes onto the surface of the water and backpack which allows to be stored on his back, and also it has a foot peg and he attaches to it. It looks very well, just like a standard G.I. Joe stand. So let's take a close-up look at the figure. It is one of my favorite figures, especially the sculpt. Look at the details on it. He had the articulation that is standard for 3.75 inch G.I. Joes. They are all connected with rubber O-ring. He is the first Joe to come with a proper boonie hat in Kelly green color. His face is pretty plain. His hair, his eyebrows and eyes all were painted in brown color. His dress is this open chest with a chesty flak vest on in Kelly green color, and it has clasps down the center. On the right side of his chest he has a black knife and sculpted details that look like it might be a shotgun shell or bullets. He has a black pistol and a black pistol holster on the left side of his chest, position for our right-handed draw. He also has a black pouch on the left side of his chest on both right and left shoulders. There are what looked like an electronic device sculpted on, and cords goes inside his vest. His arms are muscular and he has black bands around his wrist, and each band has a couple of circular details. It appears to be he is wearing 4 watches. On his vest he has 2 black belts. On his legs he has Kelly green trousers. On his right leg he has a black seat for his machete, but the size doesn't quite match up. On his left thigh he has some kind of canister. What is it exactly? An oxygen tank? Comment below if you know what it is. He is wearing Kelly green jungle boots. The laces and tip of the shoes were painted in dark brown color. In late 1988, Muskrat was sold with Voltar at Target exclusively. So that's it guys, that's all I have to share with you about our swamp fighter Muskrat. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to see more G.I. Joe reviews. Thanks for watching guys, Yo Joe. Stay tuned.